Welcome to a collaboration with AARP Alabama and the Armory Learning Arts Center in Montgomery. Today's project is a stretchy bracelet with tassel. You've probably seen these bracelets around. They're super trendy right now. You're going to be very surprised at how cute and how easy they are to make. So the first thing you want to do is take some Stretch Magic cording. You're going to measure out, well, first you're going to stretch it out to make it more pliable, and you're going to need about 10 inches of this, which is more than you actually need, but I like to have too much than too little. The fun part of the project is to figure out your design. You're going to line your beads up in the order that you desire. Then you're going to start stringing your beads onto your cord. You want to take a little care with that because there's not a knot in the ends of either end, so you just want to make sure that you're holding those tightly. So once you get your design on there, you're going to wrap it around either your wrist or your friend's wrist, whoever you may be making that for, to figure out your measurement and your wrist size. Once you've done that, you're going to knot the cording, holding both ends together, pulling tight, really tight. You're going to make sure to get those beads down on there so you don't have a big gap of cord showing, and you're going to tie that twice. You're going to pull it tight so it's nice and stretchy, cut it, and tuck your ends down into the hole of the largest bead there. And there you go. It's as simple as that. Okay, now we want to make a cute little tassel to put onto our bracelet. It's going to take one skein of embroidery thread and a homemade piece of cardboard 2 inches by 2 inches. We're going to hold the thread down with one finger and wrap the thread around the cardboard 30 times. And we're going to cut it at the end. You're going to need another 2 to 3 inch piece of thread. Place it horizontally under your threaded cardboard and bring it to the top. You're going to insert a jump ring onto the thread. And tie a double knot into the thread. And then you can trim the ends on that top piece of thread. You're going to slide your embroidery thread off of your cardboard. You may have to bend it just a little bit just to slip it all the way off. Now you want to cut the loops of the thread. This is going to create the ends of your tassel. And your tassel's starting to take shape now. You're going to want at this point to cut a 4 to 5 inch piece of thread. And you're going to use this to wrap around the top third of the tassel. You want to wrap it about 5 or 6 times. And you're going to want to double knot that. Okay, you can start to see your tassel taking shape. You're going to want to trim any loose or excess thread. Any knots you've tied, you want to trim those ends down. Just think of it as giving it a haircut. It may take a few times just to get that just right. So now you're just going to want to find out where your placement of your tassel is going to be on your bracelet. You're going to use your jewelry pliers to open your jump ring. Should take one twist just to get it open. Use your pliers to place it onto your stretchy cord and close it up. Trim any extra threads you may see, and that's simply it.